it sound like shit?
No.
Yeah, or whatever. Sorry, there's kids here. Alright. So, you having fun here? Good. I'm not the only one. Alright. Right. Well, thanks for coming and supporting, especially my part in this, which is the custom car motorcycle part and the art show. Hope you enjoyed it all and respect what some of these crazy people do for hobbies, livings, whatever it may be. They put their love and passion into these things, and it's another art form. And as you know, we all love art form for certain reasons. Getting things out of our hearts, out of our minds, out of our souls, spirits, everything. It's a way of expression, and this is yet just one other way to do that. And through metal crafting is what these guys have done. So we have a list of award winners. And as you can see, the mighty cool Orion Custom Car Motorcycle Awards. Flying V hood ornament. They get to go home with these. So we'll start off. All right. Which one? All right, so a lot of different categories for different coolness. All right, and really would love to give an award to everyone who came here and brought their car, because we appreciate that. And, you know, putting your car in danger of, who knows, crazy Metallica fans. You never know what they're gonna do, right? But what they're gonna do is respect it, and that's what they have done, so we appreciate that. So the first one is the Master Street Machine Award, which is pre-1972. And that one goes to Ken Ross of Wixom, Michigan, and the 67 SS Chevy Camaro. Is he here? Is he waving? Is that you waving? Come on up. Let the man through. Come claim your award.
Awesome. What would you say?
We love you, James!
Come on up, Ken.
No stairs.
Thank you, Ken.
Appreciate it. Say something? Oh man, this is great. I love Orion, man. It's great.
All right, next one. Next one is a Master Muscle Car Award. Muscle car, so it's 65 to 72 years. That's Tony and Michelle Pranger from Fort Wayne, Indiana. The 1970 Chevelle. We gotta wave your hand if you're here. Muscle car couple. Tony and Michelle Pranger. They're probably headbanging to the Trujillo Trio right now. They're in the mosh pit. You over here? I'm not looking over here. Sorry. Where are you? Get up here. What are you doing? All right.
Just want to tell you thanks for having us. This is a killer show, and we've had a great time.
Yeah! Appreciate it. All right. Thank you much. All right. Master Muscle Car Award 61 to 65. So even earlier than the last one. 61 to 65. Master Muscle Car Award, Tom Chaplin, Westland, Michigan. Tom Chaplin. Wave your hand, Tom. Is that you? You're not him. Don't BS us, man. I wouldn't do that here. All right. Tom Chaplin, where are you? We're a 1963 Dodge Polara. Is he polishing it now? Tom I'm saying that right. Champlin. Camplin. Tom Camplin. I need my other glasses. All right. Yeah, we'll put that off to the side. Tom will come up and claim and be forced to take a picture with me later. All right, next one, Master Motorcycle Award. All right, you guys ride bikes? Yeah. Anybody here? All right, all right. Living dangerous. Where are we? Here we go. Master Motorcycle Award, George Stinsman from Mastic, New York. The model Chaos Customs, model 65 chopper. Here you are, people. Well, you knew you were gonna win, huh? You coming up? All right. All right, congratulations, and thanks for bringing stuff to Orion.
So much. Thank you.
It's okay to say something. All right.
Woo! Yeah!
Okay. Master Hot Rod Award. Right. Pre-19... What does it say? It says pre-1935. So this one went to a 1932 Ford Roadster, the black one right over here. Beautiful job. It's Corey and Ashley Talbert from Clarkston, Michigan. They also helped put this thing together a lot. Raise your hand if you're here, Corey and Ashley. Hello. If you're not here, we'll hunt you down. Are they? This way. All right, Corey and Ashley, come on up here, get a picture, please. Yeah, there they are. They put tons of miles on this car, too. It's been all over the place. It's not just a trailer queen.
Thanks, everybody.
All right. Thank you, Ashley, so much. Yeah, absolutely. They were very instrumental in bringing a lot of the cars here from the area. And yeah, that thing's been back and forth across the country a bunch. Beautiful, and they drive it. Okay, next one. Master Custom Award, 49 to 1961. A lot of good years in there. This one goes to Justin Hill from Australia. That's a long drive, brother. That's a long drive. The 1960 Dodge Phoenix. It's a beautiful car, beautiful. Great job. Thank you. Beautiful car. Thanks for supporting and coming all the way from down under, man. Don't get it wet on the drive back. All right. Okay. All right, this is the Fan Pick Award. All right, this is all your fault. I hope it's good. All right. So Fan Pick Award goes to Sean McVicker of Weeki Wachee, Florida, in 1951 Plymouth. All right, is he around here? Sean, could be a female. All right, Sean McVicker, come on up. Claim your Fan Pick Award. This was picked by the fans, dude. You're famous. Metallica fans are hard to please, man. There you go, brother. Thanks for coming all the way from Florida, man. We got people from all over the place here, right? Yeah. Be proud, man. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a Rick Dorr pick. And
who's Rick Dorr?
custom car builder. I don't know.
This is Rick Dorr right here if you don't know.
There were a lot of beautiful cars here, but there was really one that stood out for me, and that was that 1970 Buick Riviera. The owner's name, it slips my mind right now. Where are you? Yeah, Keith Dupel from Detroit.
I'm in line. I think it's dead. Oh my God, I wish you could.
Hey, Keith from Detroit with the 70 Buick. The cool two-tone Buick over there. Yes, come on up, brother. You're the builder? Owner's not here? Well, we get the builder. That's even better. All right. Thanks for coming all the way from Detroit. Right on. There's family everywhere, right? Yeah. Feels good. All right, so we got James Papa Hetfield Motorcycle Award. So this was, there's always cool bikes here, you know. It's been kind of difficult. Everyone has their own taste and their own coolness of what they like and don't like. I had to pick, there's a black Springer front end over there. Ian Miller. Custom is called the IMAX. Yeah, all right. It's built by Chuck Palumbo from El Cajon, California. Please come on up. You got the Papa, whatever his name is, Pet Award.
Awesome. Look at this rock star.
This is not my real job. We can tell. Very good.
Congratulations, y'all. She's James' biggest fan ever.
Here's a good pick.
It is the real deal. We get a photo?
I'm trembling. I'm not an alcoholic.
We appreciate you coming and bringing your cool stuff.
Oh, dude.
All the way from California.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not made very well, so be careful with it.
I heard it.
All right, so this one is the final one. All right, this is the James Papa Hetfield Award for the car that's here, my favorite pick car of all the cars that are here today. And everyone is appreciated who brought their car here, took a chance on the weather, on the travel, on the fans, on everything. You know, it takes a lot to bring anything out that you're very, very proud of and don't want fucked up. But the car is yet another level, so we appreciate all the cars that did show up here. My award goes to Jane and Scott Bellish from Hillside, Illinois, and the 32 Plymouth Coupe, which is right over here with the, yes, it's got a Hemi! All right.
Nice. Thank you. Awesome. I get my pic taken with that.
I gotta get over there.
There's a pro right here. Soon to be. Thank you. We will announce the one that was missed, we know they're not here, but we do want to give them, no, it wasn't that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he didn't come up to claim it, but he will claim it. So thank you for sticking around for the awards. Thank you for hanging out and enjoying the beauty here. We appreciate your support a lot, and we hope that if you do have a car or know someone that has a car and has this as a passion, have them contact Orion, man. Get it down here, and we'll show it some love. Thank you. Love you guys. Hold on. Wait. I do have to say a lot of thank yous. There are a lot of thank yous necessary for here. A lot of people helped put on this show, and one, there's no doubt, Mr. Rick Dorr, thank you so much. Car builder, good friend, Beatnik. He's on the phone making calls, getting contact with people. You know, trying to get one artist together is difficult. Trying to get however many artists you've got together is extremely difficult. And I appreciate all the time and effort and love you've put into this, and it shows, and I hope we can show it back to you. And your crew, everyone here who's helped out with the show. And is Dennis around here? Dennis McPhail? He's in the art show. Have you seen the art show?
Yeah!
There's some pretty cool stuff in there. Anyway, if he's not coming out, or if he can, go in and say hi to Dennis. There's Dennis right there, purple shirt. Go give him some props. He got all the artists together for in there. Local, underground, lowbrow, whatever you want to call it.
Awesome.
It's an expression, and it's beautiful. There's tons of different kinds of stuff in there, painted on different items and whatever it may be. There's no rules in art, as you know. All right, and it's never wrong. Get up here, brother. Thank you, Dennis. None of this would happen without these guys, and many people in the background. Thank you so much. Especially the Beatniks Car Club. They came here out of their hearts and love, and came and helped put this thing together. Parking cars, making sure everyone's protected and all that stuff. All right, here we go. We've got our winner. Are we gonna make it up here, or we can do it down here? No problem. Oh. There you are. Yeah. Congratulations. You made it up here with your cigar. Right on. All right. Thank you. Here, let's help him down. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it. Oh, damn it.
Thank you, guys.